Hello, in this video I will talk about nitriles. Nitriles are compounds that have a nitrogen atom with a triple bond attached to a carbon atom. This group can be named in three different ways. It can be named as nitrile. It can also be named as carbonitrile, and it can be named as cyano or cyano. Let's see where you will use each of these names. Nitrile will be used as a suffix only when it is at the ends of a linear chain. It works as aldehydes and carboxylic acids. When it is in cyclones, also as a suffix, it will be named carbonitrile, and this name also applies for chains, linear chains with three or more groups, as when you used carbaldehyde or carboxylic acid with linear chains. And at the end, when it is as a branch, this is when there's a more important group than this, it will be named cyano. It's for prefix or branch, and nitriles in the priority table are just below amides. So they will be cyano when they are in a carboxylic acid or in one of its derivatives. Now let's see some examples. In the first molecule we have here, it is at the end of a linear chain, and here we have, let's number the carbons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be an hexane nitrile. Here it is a name. We don't need to specify the position because it will always be at the end. The second example will be a dinitrile. Hexane dinitrile, again 6 carbons, only single bonds, and the two groups at the end. But when we have a cyclo, we cannot name it nitrile, and we will name it as a carboxylic acid with a cyclo. It will be cyclopentane, a ring with 5 carbons, only single bonds, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbonitrile. The same will be when we have a lot of nitriles in a chain, in a linear chain. And here you will name it butane tetracarbonitrile. And it is as with carboxylic acids. Remember that carbonitrile includes the carbon atom attached to the nitrogen. So we will take 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 carbonitriles. It's this, 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 and this. And the rest of the chain will be the butane. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining carbons that will make the butane. Okay? And you have 4 carbonitriles in carbons 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the butane molecule. Okay, let's continue. I will exit the drawing mode. If it is with a more important group, let's copy this one. And let's change one of the nitriles for a carboxylic acid. Okay, let's add this here. This will become a more important group. In this case, the groups will be named cyano. Okay, Here you will start numbering from the carboxylic acid. Okay. This will be the main chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That will make the hexane. Then I have a carboxyl group here. There is the oic acid. And the cyano group will include the corresponding carbon. So we have 1, 2, and 3 cyano in carbons 3, 5, and 6 from the carboxylic acid. After you watch this video, you will need to answer a quiz. So please watch the video as many times as you need to be able to answer the quiz correctly.